Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing. That's a very. This is why you're supposed to go with script, bro. This is why you're supposed. Okay, let's do this again. Should I make a note? Oh, I shouldn't forget to clip this. Okay, let's not make it. Okay. Hi guys, so today I'll be doing another try not to scream challenge, but this time I'll be playing a game. So you guys can assign me a punishment in the comments if I scream. Also, I don't think I want to finish the entire game in one video, so I might make another video and actually finish this game. Though, let's get into it. It's me in editing mode, and I just realized how dead I sounded. I just realized how dead I sounded. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I swear to God, what is wrong with me? I forgot to put on the enthusiasm. So I'm gonna be doing an I scream, I lose challenge. So I'll be playing this random. That okay. So I'll be playing this random game called Skinwalker. I don't really know what to do here, but okay, I guess. Stop teleporting to this. Okay, let's see what this is. That's a lot of noise there. Hush. Hush. Okay, so you found yourself alone in the middle of the forest. The fire in the stove is gradually decreasing. You need to keep the fire going. If I run, I lose. Okay, what the? Okay, okay. So there's a monster. No, I don't. Let me. Ugh, what is this horrible? Where? Wait, how do you go to settings? Oh, okay. Anyways, I don't exactly have to win the game. You know, if I just like lose all my hearts, that's a weird noise. Oh, I can hide. Guys, I'm actually scared. Ah, there's a thing. How do I play? Okay. So what am I supposed to do? Just a book? Uh, oh no. Oh, okay. There's a deer. Oh, I hit so well. I hit so well. Wait, but what if my video gets too long? In case my videos get too long, I think I'm just gonna let this last for 5 minutes. So I gotta wait for this thing to go away, okay? I don't know when to get out. I I don't really know when I'm supposed to get out. Let's hope I don't get completely attacked by the deer. I'm only gonna let this last for 5 minutes, cause like what's this? Oh, why is the door open like that? Oh, so it has a key. There's a thing. I swear if I get attacked by a random deer. It also said something about hiding in bushes, I think. Oh shit. Hi! You have got to be kidding me. Alright, fine. So there's a key. How do I know where the key is? This is a very bad. Oh, there's a thing there. Okay. So I just walk in that direction. I have 1 minute left in this. Maybe I'll try to win the game some other day. Oh, there's actually something here. What's that? I think I'm gonna die. Do I lose hearts if I die to the? Yeah, I do. I lose hearts if I die to a deer, but will I lose hearts if I die of the cold? I can't find the X. There's a cemetery. Please let me find something. Ugh, I can't see you. I've got to be kidding me, dude. There's something I can interact with. You have, okay. And 5 minutes over, I'm done with this. I'm done with